Why is fire hot? Why does coffee get cold? Heat is everywhere, but what is it? Not a substance, not a thing. It's movement. Everything's made of atoms, and atoms never sit still. They vibrate, bounce, move constantly. Hot stuff? Atoms moving fast, a crazy dance party. Cold stuff? Slow, tired atoms. Temperature just measures atom speed. Hot equals fast atoms. Cold equals lazy atoms. Simple. Rule that never breaks. Heat flows from hot to cold, never backwards. Ice in your drink? Ice takes heat from the drink, not the other way around. Like bumper cars, fast atoms hit slow ones. Fast slows down, slow speeds up. Energy transfers. Hot cools, cold warms, until equal. First, conduction. Heat through touching. Metal spoon in hot soup, handle heats up. Heat travels through metal, atom by atom. Second, convection. Heat moving liquids and gases. Hot air rises, atoms spread, become lighter. Cool air sinks, that's why ceilings are warmer. Third, radiation. Heat through empty space. Sun is 150 million km away, nothing between, yet you feel warmth. Heat as invisible light waves. Why fire hot? Wood atoms combine with oxygen. This releases massive energy. Nearby atoms go crazy fast. Super fast equals super hot. Fire so hot it glows. Fast atoms release heat and light. That's why flame's visible. Color tells temperature. Red, cooler. Blue, insanely hot. Is there a coldest possible? Yes. Atoms basically stop. Zero energy. Can't get colder than not moving. Fun fact, never actually reached. Scientists got billionths of a degree away. Never exactly there. Universe's ultimate cold limit. Next time you hold warm coffee, trillions of atoms dancing inside. Cools down, party ending. Heat isn't mysterious, just atoms doing their thing. Heat makes sense? Subscribe. Next, what is electricity? Weirder than you think. See you there.